Hey, what's up YouTube? Got a Kwikset 660 deadbolt. It's a smart key. See the little hole right there to the left of the keypad indicating that it is smart key. And we're going to use a core puller to get this door open here. So key, see it's actually locked. And then we're going to go ahead and use the core puller right here to actually pull the core out. I'm going to use a 1.5 inch number 12 Tech screw. So we got that nice and legged in there. We need to go in a couple more turns here. We'll try it real quick. And this comes with a little plate to protect the facing of the lock. I'm either gonna back it out here or just not use the plate. Yeah, let me back it out a couple of turns here. And drop this on there, tighten it down. And we'll grab our socket. But there's our core out of there. And then from here we can actually reach in and unlock the door. And there's what's left of our core. I did have to use the 2-inch screw. And but anyway, that's pulling a core out of a Kwikset smart key lock.